Okay guys, thought I'd take you along for a ride. This is Chicken Factory. This is a job I didn't do. I put a price on it. They blew 4 or 5 or was it 6 compressors that I just showed in the other video. And anyway, somebody else did this job for them. Installed used units. They just set them on top of the construction here. If you guys could see all this. Anyway, you see that ice up there? The last compressor that they changed got a hell of a beating from slugging. And they want me to come at the middle of the night and check when they got almost full load and check what's going on. See what's happening. They burnt the alrighty. Chicken, look at the chicken. Oh, it doesn't feel too comfortable having the stuff drip on your head. Oh, look at that frosted going up. Froster, freeze. Now we got a squeaker up there. The first fan, the middle one's gone, I checked it. Did this for the circulation. This is a job I did about 4 or 5 years ago. I did a short clip, showed the slaughtery, and they added on that fridge, and they got a price quote from me and a price quote from another guy, and they did it with that guy. Alright guys, I'm freezing.